Today we're going to solve two-step equations. So think about it as reverse PEMDAS. Okay, we have x and it's being multiplied by 2, and then we subtract away 3 to get the answer of 7. Okay, so in the equation we see multiplication first, then subtraction. We're going to do that in the reverse order to get the x by itself. Okay, so I'm going to draw my balance here. We're going to look at the side with the variable, which is this side over here. On that side, I want to add or subtract first, doing the inverse of what I see. So I see subtraction here. So the inverse is addition. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Now the purpose of doing that inverse is that it will help me get rid of this integer here. We no longer have that -3 because -3 plus 3 is 0. So I don't have to write anything in that column, but I still have 2x. Over here on the right, I can add 7 plus 3 is 10. So now our new equation is 2x equals 10. 2 times some number equals 10. We might be able to guess and check, but if we need to show our work, over here on the left with the variable, it says 2 times x. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. And pointing out that I'm now on this step of PEMDAS, going backwards. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1x is the same as x. And then on the right side, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So x is equal to 5. Let's quickly double check that. I'm going to go up here, and where we have x, I'm going to instead have the number 5. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So yes, we did that one correctly. Let's try another. Some number divided by 4 and then increased by 9 is equal to 12. All right. So something happened to our variable, or x, following the order of PEMDAS. And now we have to undo it to get x by itself so we know what it's worth. So we're going to start with addition or subtraction, and we're going to look at the side with the variable. So we're looking at the left side, I see addition. So the inverse operation is subtraction. Let's subtract 9 from both sides. The x divided by 4 is going to stay the same. 9 minus 9 is 0, which is nothing, so I don't need to write anything else on the left. And then over on the right, we have 12 minus 9, which is 3. All right, so next we need to multiply or divide. On the side with the variable, this fraction bar means division. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. When I multiply by 4 on the left, that 4 is up on top in the numerator. And so I have 4/4, which is 1 whole. And 1x is the same as just x. And then on the right, 3 times 4 is 12. So x is 12. Let's double check. I'm going to go up here to the beginning and replace x with 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 3 plus 9 is 12. Yep, that works.